This is a 2011 Chrysler 300. It features a 3.6-liter 6-cylinder engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, heated front seats, a low tire pressure indicator, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, chrome wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, solar control glass, cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a Sentry key theft deterrent system, front and rear floor mats, projector beam halogen headlights, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 38,000 miles on the odometer. This Chrysler has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.